Hello everyone, my name is Willie Campbell. I'm hosting tonight's very first e-Kaylee. So we're planning on making this a fortnightly event. It's going to be a program of contributions from full-time musicians, from people that do it part-time, from school children, from anyone really. We're just kind of going to be looking for submissions and stuff like that. So happy to be with you. And I'm going to start proceedings off with a country song I wrote a few years ago called Truth and Lies. The mystery is solved now. I stole away your peace of mind. Mr. Gray in the kitchen with a bottle at 3 a.m. But everything is changing. Now you know that I'm good for you. Yeah, the world stands still when we're together alone. But all you want is to change my past. If you build a time machine, then I'll be gone in a flash. I never loved anyone before you. That's what you want me to say. But truth and lies hurt only in a different way. I never loved anyone before you. That's what you want me to say. But truth and lies hurt only in a different way. You're sending up a prayer before you're rushing out the door. And I smile to myself, I don't think I could love you more. Been living in the darkness until the light came in the shape of you. Yeah, you're an open door, so I can find my truth. But all you want is to change my past. If you build a time machine, then I'll be gone in a flash. I never loved anyone before you. That's what you want me to say. But truth and lies hurt only in a different way. I never loved anyone before you. That's what you want me to say. But truth and lies hurt only in a different way. But truth and lies hurt only in a different way.
Señor, let quan stude koar strar be shall the galvaro it how and gadaim ne mare weather cool I Gianu and Yan Buan Ponish going Yaria.
Hope you enjoyed that last one. It was Kerkel Huan, a classic run rig song. I was going to be doing this without notes, but I can't manage it, so I've got a few things in front of me here to make sure I get them right. That was recorded at Julep Erihuan concert at Celtic Connections earlier this year. I loved that gig. I was part of it. It was a really special night. This last piece you heard, it was a new arrangement by North US born Patrick Morrison, and that was performed by Scollina Cleach, featuring vocals from Marian McCorkadale and Ruadi Gray. And this next one is by my friend Neil Johnson. He's a cellist. He's a string teacher at Corla Instrumental Music Service, and he's going to play a piece called Empty Chairs at Empty Tables from the hit musical Les Miserables. Hello again, hope you enjoyed that one. The next one coming up is also from the Julep Irihuan concert from Celtic Connections. I've already told you I thought that was a really good night. And it features Scott Linacleach Pipe Band led by Pipe Major Dole Ban MacDonald. This set includes the tunes Shoals of Herring, Loch Marie, Leaving Lismore and Seagull. And then straight after that one we've got a local music teacher, Ian Costello McKeever, singing our ballad. So I have to invite you to sing along at home. So if you've had a couple of cups of tea or a few refreshments of your choice, do feel free to join in.
vale is falcher daki action get vigigen chapper senyetere krachig nach bin gönjon farningase Appamen on hast du wager gatari Nes lumor nas toras is saivres Nes tluye garchanik nas varientayen Sarnaik nikulera mendaivre Falcher en duikes falcher vale Is falcher en dachi akshin Get vigigen chapper senyetere krachig Nach Gynjon farningase Chofates kundriel sin har kruanten is griochen Had je tjochen je tosho karlaien Snach moren tolintjen vi chilege jensi De marincher wat loga in ar pasjen Falcher en duikes falcher vale Is falcher en dachi akshin Get vigigen chapper senyetere krachig Nach bin gynjon farningase Flum kjolmerne marer I flodrig se chwadig Bala kuri en rik is na more Groes gyrig alle fiarling te gari Alian agar brahi klesolas Falcher en duikes falcher vale Is falcher en dachi akshin Get vigigen chapper senyetere krachig Nach farningase Falcher en duikes falcher vale Is falcher en dachi akshin Get vigigen chapper senyetere krachig Nach bin gynjon farningase
Hi everybody, thank you for tuning in to the very first Ale and Share Cayley, and I hope you're enjoying the broadcast so far. I hope that many more musicians from throughout the Western Isles will be inspired to record their own items to be included in future programmes. Information on how to take part can be found on the Cayley website, details of which are at the bottom of your screen. Our next item is from Piper Hamish Scott from Tarbert and Harris, who's going to play Leaving St Kilda by Pipe Major Willie Ross, followed by Shea and the Hoyne by Alan MacDonald. This will then be followed by grandfather and grandson duo Donny and Jack McLeod from Newmarket near Stornoway, who are going to play Flet from Flotta.
Hello folks, I hope you're enjoying the show so far. I'm going to say a little bit just briefly about the GLIP project that some of the content of tonight's programme has been taken from. I was involved in GLIP from the start in 2018, and I'm really grateful to the tutors and a couple of teachers that saw fit to ask me to be involved. It's been a really amazing experience. I've been commissioned to write 7 songs so far. And GLIP was really the kind of brainchild of Bernard Chisholm, who's like Director of Education at Cornyn Yellow. And this next song is called Drawn to the Ocean, and it was written specifically for a performance at Celtic Connections this year, because 2020, Scotland's Year of Coasts and Waters, was the theme. So I sort of wrote a song about employment that people on the islands have from living around the coast, and people working offshore, fishermen, and just their general experience and relationship with the water. It's performed by me and my pals, the house band that we had for the night, and the choir is made up of pupils from all 4 secondary schools in the islands, and it was a pretty unique experience, that gig. So I hope you enjoy this next one, Drawn to the Ocean.
Men back in the 60s really had themselves a time, from fishing off the rocks as boys to merchant ships worldwide. Some remaining bachelors until the day they died, leaving fortunes to a favorite niece with sparkling eyes, drawn to the ocean by forces we can't understand. A job out on the oil rigs, I hear, is not for everyone. The money's good, the sacrifice is time away from home. Helicopters buzz from Aberdeen and Sulanbo, roughnecks counting down the hours on the drilling floor. And the wind seems to sigh and whisper names you're missing, and the sea keeps on cries. That longing is part of the living. We're drawn to the ocean by forces we can't understand. The herring girls of Stornoway would work a 12-hour shift, filling barrels to the brim with layers of salt and fish. Her nimble hands were scarred, the cuts were covered up with cloth. No children of her own as yet to make orbits round her love. Drawn to the ocean by forces we can't understand. The help like ghostly fingers brushed the keel of McNeil's boat. The Kiss-Mule Chief's Berlin returned from raiding round the coast. He had no love for James I, whose summons he ignored. Let him come to me, he said, I've done a service to his throne. And the wind seems to sigh and whisper names you're missing, and the sea heaves and cries. That longing is part of the living, and the wind seems to sigh and whisper the names you're missing, and the sea heaves and cries. That longing is part of the living. We're drawn to the ocean by forces we can't understand.
This next piece is called The Storm, and it's written and performed on Clarsach by Lisa McNeil. She's a music teacher in Castlebay Community School, and it's inspired by the wild and unpredictable weather that we endure here in the Western Isles, something we can all identify with, and it's a testament and tribute to how hardy the islanders are, so I hope you enjoy it. So there's lots of videos going around just now of people collaborating and pulling all their performances together, and it all appears as if they're playing at the same time. It's a really cool effect, and we thought we'd have a bit of a go at that. I had a bit of a song called We'll Dance in the Summer, and I kind of changed the chorus. I rewrote the chorus and I rewrote some of the words just to sort of fit the strange lockdowny circumstances we're in right now. So I hope you enjoy it. It features myself and Costello, Neil Johnson and Rona Johnson. So here it is.
Roll on the sun to see the green grass grow again. So hold each other closer, hold each other closer. The dark days are previews to the endless ones ahead. I can see shooting stars at the air and dissolve into the sea. I'm wishing for those brighter days to come for you and me. In the last of the fading winter light, I heard words of hope on the breeze. Storms will soon be over, the storms will soon be over. We'll dance in the summertime again. Roll on the summer, roll on the summer. I can't wait to see the green grass grow again. So hold each other closer, hold each other closer. The dark days are previews to the endless ones ahead. I can see shooting stars at the air and dissolve above the sea. I'm wishing for those brighter days to come for you and me. And the last of the fading winter lights, I heard words of hope on the breeze. Storms will soon be over, the storms will soon be over. We'll dance in the summertime again. We'll dance in the summertime again. We'll dance in the summertime again.
So this next one is the final item that we're going to include from the Celtic Connections concert in January. And it's a City Scott School Choir performing Shade Chuan. It's a song written by their conductor Ian McKeever. And to quote Ian, he says, "The song is in praise of the beautiful sights that can be seen in the Isle of Harris, the beaches, moorland and lochs. Although the sights are precious, its most valuable asset are the people who live there." Which is very true. I can agree with that. And yeah, this was a real highlight for me of the Celtic Connections show. It was a couple of stunning performances from City Scott. And that would be closely followed by a performance by Rona Johnson on alto saxophone of the jazz classic Misty, written in 1955 by Errol Gardner. Lyrics were later added and the song was recorded by many artists such as Ella Fitzgerald and most famously Johnny Mathis. The instrumental track featured in the soundtrack of the 1971 film Play Misty for Me starring Clint Eastwood. So we hope you enjoy these two.
Toro
Thanks a lot for joining us tonight, folks. We hope you enjoyed this E. Kaylee. The next one is going to be Saturday the 9th of May at 7:30 p.m. But tonight's one is going to be available to watch again on the website. There's also details about the E. Kaylee project there and how you can make your own contributions to the show, because we would love to hear from you. Another thank you to the multimedia unit staff who have pulled all of this material together for us, because the show just simply wouldn't happen without them. So thank you guys. This is my final song of the night. It is called Yesterday's Promises. I forgot there. Hopefully I can remember the words. It has a whistling bit throughout it, so do feel free to join in the whistling. Waiting for the fortune that I think I'm gonna make, hoping that my life would start. Replaying all my troubles while I'm lying in the sun. In my mind, the clouds won't part. I should be marching up the mountain, but I'm running on the spot, and I'm hoping that my life will start. I was shooting for the moon, but I landed in the sea with my pocket full of sand and rocks. With a pocket full of sand and rocks. Hoping that my life would start. I was hoping that my life would start. Picking up the pieces is a tonic for a broken heart. And so I hope I'm done with whiskey. I hope I'm done with wine. For yesterday's promises can become tomorrow's lies. Artificial wonder for a pocket full of change, hoping that my life would start. Squandering potential, weighing heavy on my mind and dissolving in my guilty blood. Walking through the city with a heart of stone, at least until the break of dawn. I was shooting for the moon, but I landed in the sea with my pocket full of sand and rocks. With a pocket full of sand and rocks. Hoping that my life would start. I was hoping that my life would start. And picking up the pieces is a tonic for a broken heart. And so I hope I'm done with whiskey. I hope I'm done with wine. For yesterday's promises can become tomorrow's lies. Hoping that my life would start. I was hoping that my life would start. And picking up the pieces is a tonic for a broken heart. And so I hope I'm done with whiskey. I hope I'm done with wine. For yesterday's promises can become tomorrow's lies. For yesterday's promises can become tomorrow's lies. For yesterday's promises can become tomorrow's